This question is asking for the straight line distance in miles from the bakery to Juanita's home. So let's see what we got here. She's walking from her home to the bakery, and she does so. We'll call this her home. She's going to walk 0.3 miles due east, so we'll represent that this way, and then 0.4 miles due north. And that's the bakery right there. And we want to know this distance. If she were just to walk straight there, you should recognize this as a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. Now it's 0.3, 0.4, and 0.5, so it's a multiple just divided by 10. And so the answer is D. This could also be like a 6, 8, 10. Any multiples of 3, 4, 5 can create this, what's called the Pythagorean triple. Know the 3, 4, 5. Another common one on the AC is the 5, 12, 13. And there's a lot of them, but those are the two most commonly used by the ACT. If you don't know this 3, 4, 5 triangle, you don't recognize it, you can use the Pythagorean Theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now, I argue you shouldn't need it. You should know 3, 4, 5, but you'll need this somewhere on the test. Or at least it's very likely you will. So the A and B are the legs. They're the ones connected to this right triangle here. So it's 0.3 squared plus 0.4 squared is equal to c squared, which is what we're looking for. That's the hypotenuse. And then you should just type this all in at once and square root both sides from here. And that's the most efficient way to get to it. But you can square, that'd be 0.09. You get 0.25 once you add 0.16 and 0.09, and then square root that to get c to be 0.5, as we expected.